Mama want na have a home from Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido live from Cafe Banwa Jowlo police station in Chanwano Mama catch the had easy pays ban papa na baby kama but na John who they come for here for the binyano na me catch the Cafe Banwa na ebeba or Jowlo police station in Chanwano Mama na Today, my debut or had as a minion cuckoo dembi, mingana church on Como, far Jumezibiara or is it? And there, me guess to know a special papa was an me guess to know. Na za yenina yenua to a nimpa ojin power to but me guess to know or you'll be a industry no watching one papa ejumano obamingende. Now so no osan de ojin chinninti na nipa bebre nyiman. Na ende na ye fund for some time now no na so why na you know we be gina maybe ni make gina na echi into no go food ya panon so no wo piano into no or mention wa dey me na about to come one pay na before that no me can show the Valentine's Day ya ori bedri or as Joy Prime was Obama Val's Day no why a special zamo it is a warrior nyina anye there was why most photogenic couple into no awo onye wo partner won twa picture na one can some there will be in fact one of most for why we share na the one can one church obi na one fan send the number no mobile number na mo for phone no na one number no 055 157 5757 bomozna na number no as picture no na and some opeda wakana then some opeda watcho no it's best the number no na I win is no a bet de papa Val's Day you watch ma wo spa day for 2 candlelight dinner and all expense paid trip romantic pa beji wenwa ye papa wo honom to deadline no is 7th of February nti bomozna quickly and your partner one sign up. Now, my main control there, Ponos and the person one poma, one pod, sorry, one your dog a cry, a pay Druby, Alabama, a two Nassau and Atkinson, who could say that now or 3p garlic mixture, 100% garlic, 100% garlic extract, and I was a year in Drununti, but was an enemy in Upiwak natural health for no was our bad tea, was not in 3p, say, blood pressure was low, about the problem, yeah. 3p boss of our simple cry. Now, quickly, no, mammy introduce my guest of our mom. My guest to know what friend Enuonyam. The you say Buddha or Enuonyam pa Sunday, no, ye feel ye, papa. Say, yes, share the likes of Kofi Prepra, if a grace moi, what ginger chida man, no back. But since you are no, you won't win you. Now, so Enuonyam, what being you? Into no Enuonyam,
Yeah.
Thank
you so much.
So pretty.
Thank you.
So pretty.
Oh, I may serve. So I have to be there.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Into for how long now? Back and about artist now back.
I'm sure there were 10 years, slightly over 10 years.
Wow.
Yes, and as Minister Jometo, or Mr. TV.
Okay.
Minister Jometo, and then in the process, I had a chance, to also back other powerful men and women of God also in the gospel industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My task, since you know, about as an artist yourself.
Yes.
What's entering it then?
What is it?
What's entering? Why the transition? Why the city free? Back in Abbey.
Me back in me day totally. I'm still doing it, but also I believe the Nyama a specific calling, a specific task and purpose for his people. So that's why I've also come out to do this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, I don't know. Me sure that you don't take offense there. Me do to if a grace no any coffee purpose. All of these people you one nas. Not walk back.
My big brothers and sisters.
Walk back. Now, some of them so good back. Me if a grace on the back. me mami or him ma Messi or him Messi then I was switching me the why back now na say wo free wo back and say wo be nyim dam na this say what the wo back na one na one to one
for me I believe say staying there and serving has a way you learn so much to even guide you to stand on your own. Yes, but also obedu time be okay. You can't be there forever. Obedu time be. Nyankopon Nankasa has his way of letting your leader even know there it's time to release this person. Okay. So there's always that.
Baby said no. Yeah. Because I at no na sound menu for no
by all means, by all means, the time will come.
Okay. Say yes, was an artist. I was never kind of so special or unique about our the CCI. Is a child.
First of all, no, I'm a child of God, and that's one of the most special things. I mean, but also no, I'm able to, the kind of music that I'm doing, I'm able to blend the English language, the local languages. My voice, I believe, sounds appealing to the international stages, even and also to the local stages. Okay. So that's one special thing about me. I fit everywhere. Mitumisha baby.
Baby, yeah. Enuonyam na yenye chuchu nkomo ye wa baka basisi ara no. Na so menyi. Na America dey omo get feel pa.
Thank you.
Na baki.
Yeah.
Nya boys no how na za.
Or a normal life, even when you are not in the spotlight, now about spotlights or a normal thing.
Okay, so actually in every day.
Every day there is an exaggeration. That be. I mean, once you are beautiful, people will approach you, and it's normal.
Into in your asofo, in your musicians.
Hey, really? Oh well, they come.
And how are you handling that?
I'm just friendly. So when you come and meet the friendliness, and we flow. There's nothing extra. We just become friends. Yes.
Okay, but I think young focus near then as of now.
My song, the new song.
New song near
Shemekwan.
If you child.
Yes. A very, very powerful song written by Minister Kofi Kakari.
Oh, Kofi Kakari not sure you
very powerful writer. Then Papa no, he's a well of songs. He has written so many songs for so many people. Until one of these days now, no corner ho na yet na say na we were worshiping. He was on the keyboard now. We were worship now. He started singing the song, and we were worshiping with the song together. So that's how the song came about.
Okay.
Yes, and during the process of producing the song, I think the Holy Spirit just directed me there. Kwekute has to be on the song. Into them now obey. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very, very, very interesting. You're interested about your artist, current project. Why not finance them?
I'm under Reverb Studios. Yes. I'm under Reverb Studios, headed by Jometo. Yes.
Jometo.
Yes, please.
Okay. This is Jometo no handle management issues.
Yes, please. There's a whole team.
Okay.
Yes. It's not specifically him, but there's a whole team that works under Reverb Studios.
Okay. And how is the are you okay with the service you are getting from them now?
Yeah. Initially, I was doing things by myself, and coming under Reverb Studios, no, why easy. Okay. Why easy? Well, everybody is doing what they have to do with regards to promoting the music and everything that has to do with the song. Why very easy, to be honest.
Okay.
Yes.
Meaning there will be our personal relationship with God. But describe your personal relationship with God then.
My relationship with God, you know, or very, very special. I like intimacy.
Okay.
That's where I am with Him. Now, I love it. I love where I am with God. We're very. I can say that we're very close. Yes.
You know, but Mama, me a scenario. After this incident, you're watching there completely surrender to.
Now, I'm me a sofa. Both parents are sofa.
Wow.
We're sofa. So
chapel.
Love Community Chapel International. Reverend George Ayuku, Apostle George Ayuku. Yeah, and that's where I grew up. And my father assists him. I was born into the church. You would say me a pastor.
Okay.
Yeah. So my whole life has been around church and everything, and I can say that I walk at there a soft man. Yeah, some way. Yeah, some way. But by the grace of God, because that's why I was coming to. Fortunately for Amino, even though my parents were active in helping church and doing church work, he puts certain people around me into growing up and being a good Christian.
Okay.
So I got that opportunity. Yes.
And from Sofoba into the industry, but how was it like? But even though no woman, but anyway, she said her being me. Back in the industry, then was it differently first back as to what it is now?
To be very honest, the difference,
okay.
Difference being I think is where I find myself in
okay.
Where I find myself under the umbrella of Minister Joe Metal. Yes.
Okay. Say I can't Amen. Ne juma no tumuna ye ma yeye because yes so nim de juma no ondefom kra na cafe ba no a na ye wo aha de ize maka cho de wezi ban sembia no aha na eze baba cafe ba no a Jowulo police station en chen ho no ma antino bomozen na from one mabo one number no mzibutu gaba answer no ma yente Enuonyam no nyom foforo no o se
Shreme
kwan hey Shreme kwan ampo Shreme kwan ampa inta wo enjoy nyom no kakra na yebo tuedo sisia oye wo zanti esora na pa bia na if you do appropriate very appropriate the baby say nkopon don che kwan because our plan the nya wo plan no na be me wo plan the until na tu me plan as wo tiri ma time ne bo so no na bibi different kra na record until no mama fa cafe ba no a one number no untu go 0501606975 and 0209667116 but was na free cafe ba no a na brebeji wezban kama makache we a group of friends who put that wa ba no kra bo meje discount na wo mbe chill o wa ha de ye papa na minimal desert Juango energy drink or the best energy drink in town makan famo say e wato nyum na say e bra na say pede boost energy na Juango is the best energy drink vitamins no wo mu ye papa into no bomazana na pebi into before e kono na rechum there into that is how come being a pastor's child in from into na a total trust in Yankopon and should I anything specific be or two just complete
no so far
okay
God has been good
no check him baby may benya when you may
do baby I am Apple Music Audio Mac Boomplay or baby na video no so YouTube
okay
yes Enuonyam You type Enuonyam everywhere. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all the digital platforms.
It's
Enuonyam. Instagram no underscore, but start there type Enuonyam no. Over show up, then you pick it.
And I will Enuonyam so you
E.
I will spell one.
Enuonyam. Enuonyam. Onya Enuonyam. Oya Enuonyam. What? I've had to deal with Enuonyam. Make over Enuonyam. Yeah. Enuonyam. Thank you so much.
Ayazi,
thank you. Amen.
Into no years on come no ye beside so they face ye nezi bano or had day cafe banoa the one I see ye papa the woman hen kwan me to me but na hade one hen is banded do so ye bobo henano do chat. Miss Bessie had a zino or fancy door. Our Jimbre ye me in Sunyakopon in show papa Wabe Kofian Pedu a mid director Mabilonzi producer papa Albert and I'll be ye camera Abu I already don't hear more coffee. So I already zano what's na say bedroom Rochiado. See Sarah